Breaking news! Bagong Senate President Cayetano in, Soto out! VP Sara Duterte impeach na sa Kongreso. At Bato de la Rosa lumabas na, nasa pangangalaga na ng Senado, di daw pwedeng hulihin. Sa 255 na mambabatas na bumotong pabor, inaprubahan ng House of Representatives ang Articles of Impeachment laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte ngayong Lunes, May 11. Batay sa opisyal na tali ng inilabas ng House Speaker, 26 na mambabatas ang bumoto laban sa impeachment habang siyam ang nag-abstain. Ipapadala na ang Articles of Impeachment sa Senado para sa paglilitis. Kabilang sa mga bumoto ng hindi ay ang mga kinatawan ng Cebu 3rd District Representative Karen Hope, Flores Garcia, Cebu City North District Representative Rachel Cutie Del Mar, 4th District Representative Son Shimura at Malasakit at Bayanihan Party List Representative Girly E. Veloso. Bato de la Rosa sa ilalim ng Senate Protective Custody. Inilipat ni Senator Rodante Marcoleta na ilagay si Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa sa ilalim ng Protective Custody ng Senado habang inuubos niya ang lahat ng magagamit na legal na remedyo. Ang mosyon ay inaprubahan ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano matapos walang senador na nagpahayag ng anumang pagtutol. Iniharap ni dating Senator Antonio Trillanes IV ang kopya ng warrant of arrest na inisyu ng International Criminal Court o ICC kaugnay sa kasong crimes against humanity na nauugnay sa war on drugs ng nakaraang administrasyon. Cayetano elected new Senate President sa 13 versus 9 vote. Si Senador Alan Peter Cayetano ay nahalal na Senate President ngayong Lunes, May 11, matapos bumoto ang mayorya ng mga senador na deklarang bakante ang lahat ng posisyon sa pamumuno sa Senado na nagtapos sa panunungkulan ni Tito Soto. Nakuha ni Cayetano ang Senate presidency sa botong 13 versus 9 na may 2 abstention kasunod ng isang dramatikong pag-iba ng pamumuno na naganap ilang sandali matapos magbukas ang sesyon kung saan ang mga senador na kalyado ni Vice Presidente Sara Duterte ay sumusuporta sa paglipat. Ang pagbabago ng pamunuan ay dumating habang ang kapulungan ng mga kinatawan ng Pilipinas ay naghahanda na bumoto sa impeachment complaint laban kay Duterte na sa kalaunan ay maaaring makarating sa Senado para sa paglilitis. Sa kanyang talumpati sa pagpapalagay, itinanggi ni Cayetano mga pahayag na ang mga pag-overhaul ng pamunuan ay sinadya upang harangan ang isang posibleng paglilitis sa impeachment na nagsasabing ang anumang paglilitis ay gagabayan ng ebidensya, angkop na proseso at konstitusyon. Kayo po bilang isang Pilipino, ano po ang inyong magiging komento para dito malaya po kayong makakapag-komento ng inyong mga opinion sa baba. Maraming salamat po at kung bago pa lang po kayo sa aking channel, huwag kalimutang i-subscribe at i-like ang video na to at i-click ang notification bell para updated po tayo sa mga susunod na mga video. Maraming salamat po.
As of now, Mr. President, Antonio Trillanes and some NBI operatives are still at the library, Mr. President. May I move that the Sergeant at Arms remove these people from the vicinity of the Senate?
Mr. President, dear colleagues, Senator Trillanes, as a former member of the Senate, is welcome in the Senate and will of course be given due courtesy unless he has
He is part of the harassment,
unless
Mr.
he
President.
is part of the harassment. So
Kasama niya.
you gave me that
Siya
answer.
ang nagkuha sa NBI na harangin ako dito.
So
Bakit natin hayaan siya nandito siya?
yes, with that clarification, is there any objection that we ask we will ask the NBI to leave except for the person or people who assaulted you, because in my view, our legal should bring them for inquest because they were caught flagrante delicto assaulting a senator in our premises. Yung nag-assault to sa'yo, hindi dapat pakawalan. Dapat dalhin sa for inquest. No? Yung kung walang kilalaman na nandito at wala silang official business dito, may motion ang Senator Bato na paalisin sila sa Senate. Is there any objection?
Mr. President.
Yes, Mr. President, that
Senator
is,
Soto first.
I have no objection to the motion of Senator De La Rosa. As a matter of fact, I will probably support this motion, but parliamentary rules dictate that we settle first the
Yes,
previous
yes,
motion.
yes,
There is a
yes.
pending motion Kaya hindi
Yes.
pwedeng patungan ng lesser
Yes.
motion.
Thank you for that
let's
reminder.
resolve first the motion of Senator
Is-
Jingoy Estrada unless he wants to withdraw the motion.
Yes. With Senator Pia Cayetano, is it on the same topic or a different topic?
It's a continuation of the removal of the person, so I can wait until
Yes,
this
let's
motion is
act
resolved.
first on that. Senator Estrada, may I ask if you can withdraw because I think mas urgent na umalis na muna yung mga NBI. Then we can have a short huddle with the Sergeant at Arms whether we will ask him to report here officially.
Mr. President,
Yes.
if I may,
Yes.
sana bago sila paalisin, i-identify muna natin yung mga
Exactly.
nagharang sa akin at i-inquest natin.
Yes.
Papailan natin ng kaso bago sila paalisin dito lahat. Dahil para tayong king queen dito.
Yes.
Inassault na tayo dito sa ating opisina. Tapos walang mangyayari. Paalisin lang natin. We have to arrest them.
Yeah, let me clarify, Senator Bato. That's my point a while ago. Papaalisin yung mga walang kilalaman sa pag-assault sa iyo. And
Correct.
that is not limited to those who threw punches or wrestled you. Meaning, if they are in conspiracy together in trying to prevent you from attending the
I
session,
am sure Trillanes is involved, Mr. President.
then
Andyan sila eh.
then
Kasama sila.
my suggestion is to consult with the legal and to bring them for inquest. No? But before that, I will follow the suggestion of Senator Soto. Can we first dispose or withdraw muna?
Mr. President, I withdraw my previous motion.
So since the motion is withdrawn, Senator Pia.
Yes. I think this is what the Senate President had in mind in any case. Let me just put on record, I think Senator Bato will also welcome this. Before removing anyone who is not involved, we have to determine who is involved and who is not involved. Obviously, I think that's quite obvious, but to be clear with the instructions of the Senate President, everybody here should be dealt with because they are here for a reason. We need to hear from them. They should give their testimony kung bakit sila nandito, sino ang nagpapunta sa kanila dito, ano ang instructions sa kanila, kahit tumayo lang sila dito, we want to know why are they here. So just to be clear, I'm pretty sure that is what the Senate President meant, but perhaps we can instruct our legal team very carefully bago paalisin. Pati yung identification nila, yung official identification nila, baka may mag-missing in action dyan. We just want to be clear that everyone who had who even witnessed, even if they were just a witness, we would want to have access to them, Mr. President. Thank you.
Let me clarify. If the committees themselves can hold in direct or indirect contempt unruly guests, may they be witnesses, may they be our employees or whatsoever, basta't non-members ng Senate, lalo na pwedeng mag-direct or indirect contempt dito sa Senado. But we are dealing with two separate things, whether what they did was contemptuous, and then secondly, whether there was a criminal offense committed within our premises in front of our faces that gives us the right for an arrest and ask the DOJ for an inquest. That is why I think the Sergeant at Arms took our instructions a while ago not only to view the video but to conduct an immediate investigation. Maybe we can have a 2-minute suspension and consult with the Sergeant of Arms kung nasaan na yung investigation nila.